Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Ignite 2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the back button. After you wake up the screen, press the back button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, select the general settings option, then tap on pair and sync. Now scroll down, find the option called paired devices and tap on it. And here you should see the name of the devices connected to your watch, and as you can see we have our Nokia phone right here. Tap on the name of the device you want to unpair from. Let me wake up the screen, tap on the name. Come on, like this. And once you tap on the name, you will be asked if you want to remove pairing. Tap on the check mark to confirm, and it will say pairing removed. Now we can go to our phone and open the settings. In settings, tap on connected devices. And here you should see the list of devices connected to your phone via the Bluetooth. And as you can see, we have the Polar Ignite on the list of previously connected devices. Tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on the forget, and tap on forget device to disconnect it. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.